Ever thought about starting your day feeling refreshed and energized? Well, a simple morning stretching routine can be a game changer. Let's dive into a gentle routine that will wake up your body, improve flexibility, and boost your energy levels. Picture this. You're standing or sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed. Slowly drop your chin towards your chest, then gently roll your head to the right, bringing your right ear towards your right shoulder. Pause for a few seconds, then continue rolling your head back until your left ear reaches your left shoulder. Repeat this motion a few times, moving slowly and mindfully. This is neck rolling, an effective way to ease tension in your neck. Now imagine standing tall with your arms relaxed by your sides. As you inhale, lift your shoulders up towards your ears, then exhale as you roll them back and down in a smooth circular motion. By repeating this for several rounds, and then reversing the direction of the circles, you'll be performing shoulder rolls, which are great for loosening up those tight shoulder muscles. Next, extend your right arm straight out in front of you, parallel to the ground, with your palm facing down. Use your left hand to gently pull your fingers back towards you. Feel that stretch along the underside of your forearm and wrist. Hold that for a few breaths, then switch arms and repeat. These arm stretches are key for improving flexibility and circulation in your arms and wrists. Now visualize standing with your feet hip-width apart and your arms relaxed at your sides. As you inhale, reach your arms overhead, clasping your hands together. As you exhale, lean gently to the right, feeling a stretch along the left side of your body. Hold for a few breaths, then return to center and repeat on the left side. This is a side stretch, and it's excellent for stretching your side muscles and improving your body's overall flexibility. For leg swings, you'll need to hold onto a stable surface, like a wall or chair, for balance. Swing your right leg forward and backward in a gentle pendulum motion, keeping your torso upright and your movements controlled. After a few swings, switch to your left leg. This exercise is fantastic for warming up your hips and legs. Ankle circles are next. Comfortably sit or stand with your feet flat on the ground. Lift your right foot off the floor and start circling your ankle in a clockwise direction. After a few rotations, switch to counterclockwise circles. Then it's time to repeat with your left foot. Ankle circles are a great way to increase mobility and circulation in your ankles. And finally, deep breathing. Finish your morning routine with a few deep breaths, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Allow your breath to fill your lungs completely, and as you exhale, release any tension or stress. This simple yet powerful practice can help you start your mornings feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to tackle the day ahead. Remember, perform each stretch and exercise slowly and gently, paying attention to how your body feels, and avoiding any movements that cause pain or discomfort. This simple routine can help you kickstart your day, leaving you feeling energized and ready to seize the day. So why not give it a try?